ACER T232HL. It's a touch screen, and the comment sections in some of the other videos I've done have been talking about this screen, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to pick one up, test it out, and see if this works for you MODX and Montage owners. So I'm pretty sure that this screen will extend the MODX or Montage screen, but what I'm looking for is to have the touch screen capability transfer over to this screen like it does with the Dell S2240 that I have reviewed a couple times. The first thing that we are going to do is put together the Dell S2240. Hook that up and show the one that does work. So while we're speeding through this, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for all your support. This one works. Able to access this definitely works. I'm going to put this up here. Now, a couple things with this monitor, this ACER. It comes with its own USB cable. It's got this blue double-decker connector for its USB. This is what came with it, and this is what the seller said to use to make this work. So we are going to plug in the power, and then we're going to use the same HDMI cable that we used for the Dell, and then we're going to use their recommended USB cable for that connection. We've got everything back here, all connected, and we're taking the USB, the special blue USB that they told us to use. Okay. This one is going to the pluggable display adapter. This one goes to the Montage. This one is going to the ACER. Okay. All right, I situated it. Now let's put the Montage on and have that go through the boot up process. And then it says Montage. Okay, so that doesn't work. None of the screens work. Now that's what's interesting about when I hook this one up, the ACER, the Montage screen stays on and it's projecting. So that's different from the Dell S2240 where it would black out the onboard screen. So, oh, and so it is touch sensitive a little bit. So I'm going to go through and do the calibration, and so it doesn't work there. And it doesn't work here. I'm going to hit enter, just like I did with the Dell. So at this point, we should be able to get into these white squares here, but they don't work there. They work on my Montage screen, but they don't work here. See that? I can't get into any of this. This is the ACER T232HL, and it is advertised as a touchscreen monitor. It has some of the things that it features is 23-inch, 16:9, and IPS touch screen monitor. It fails the test. We can't get into the touch, but you can extend your screen. That's the least of it. So at least you can get, if you just wanted to have a screen, a heads-up display. So it gives you heads up, but it does not give you touch capability, which is unfortunate because you would want to have both. You want to be able to get up in here and do all your editing. So this one, for the price, $200, I think it's a bit much just to have an extended screen, especially since it doesn't have the touch capability, and the Dell does, and it's the same price. So thanks again for subscribing and checking out the channel and watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.